In this video, we'll speak to the form types and characteristics you'll encounter in SAM. There are two general types of forms: internal forms or external forms, which we call public forms. Internal forms are the screens your team interacts with after logging in. Public forms allow users outside of your organization to enter data directly into SAM. They may have a login linking to their record, but they will not have access to other records in your site. Whether an internal or external public form, each screen is set up as either Add Edit or View. Add Edit forms are used to enter data into SAM. Add Edit screens are useful for intake forms and when a user will enter more than one value at a time. View forms are best for displaying data. They may aggregate fields for a cleaner appearance and are sometimes used for print. You'll also hear the terms main form and subforms used in our terminology for SAM. A main form is based off the parent table for the subject of your form. Subforms are often based off a subtable of that subject and typically display multi-record table data. In SAM, subforms are displayed toward the bottom of main forms. Multiple subforms can be added to show or enter relevant data to the subject. The Form Customizer function shows subforms, and a link is provided to format the subforms separately from the main form. Being part of a form, subforms must be added to another form, either a container form or a main form as we've seen. We'll talk more about container forms later. The final discussion point in this video is form orientation. Forms can be oriented as vertical or horizontal. Vertical forms can have one or two columns, and horizontal forms can have one or multiple rows. Thank you for taking a few minutes to watch and learn these concepts. Up next, we'll discuss the basic options you have to format forms.